Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark and in this episode we're checking out the SLP. So if you're holding on to the Smooth Love Potion, be sure to hit that subscribe button because guys, you do not want to miss out on any episode of the Crypto Intel. So today I'm going to be talking about the price analysis, and of course we're going to also jump into other very interesting details on how you can make tons in gains in the upcoming days. And by the way guys, I finally made my trades public, and I do trade since more than 4 years already. And here you can actually see what the hell's going on with my trades, what am I doing, and you can follow me here. You'll have a follow button. The link is down below the video, so be sure to check it out. And also, if you never used the FlipChain, there is a tutorial video below the video actually. Like, yeah, there's a lot of videos, huh? But as you can see, there has been already today multiple people that has been following me. So I'm super excited about this. I see already some people are doing actually flips. So that's awesome. We got George Madison doing here, which is actually a supporter on Patreon. And we also have a mod that has done 7% with 2 flips. That's great. So yeah, you can join the group. It's Crypto Intel. So you can see pretty much everyone here. Oh, there's someone new right now. Let me follow him 1 second. All right. And I'll also follow you if you come in, Flip Trader. So basically this is really cool because we can finally, follow each other and see what we're doing. And also we can kind of spy on our pricing so that we know exactly who amongst us are the most successful people with trading different crypto assets. So at this point, as you can see, it's currently priced at 28 cents. So that's okay, but it did fall a lot. Like, it went just in a bunch of days, guys. In a bunch of days, it lost almost, let me see here. So it lost pretty much 30% of its value. So if you're still holding on to it, I would definitely let it go, guys, and I'll tell you why. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so please be sure to always do your own research before you make any moves in crypto. This is super important because you know how crypto is risky, right? So let's check it out right here. So right now, unfortunately, what I'm seeing, according to a lot of signals here, and I'm gonna get into the signals, guys, is the fact that it's gonna keep on going down, guys, because just like this pattern right here, you had a huge explosion right here, and people are trying to maintain. And yes, people are still using this in game for Axie Infinity. Although still, traders, they trade crypto, so they want their gains. So at the end of the day, it's looking for the previous support levels, guys. So the support levels are right here. But let me just confirm this with you by looking at other very interesting indicators. So let's have a look at, first of all, the stop and reverses. So these are the stop and reverses. So as you can see, it's the blue lines right here, like the blue dots. It actually looks good from here because it looks as if the bearish market is almost over, but it's not because there's way too many things going on. For example, you can see here the moving average convergence divergence indicator. It went through its peak right here, right? Like, it went at 0.0076, and then it started to go down, meaning that for example, you can see it right here, it went down, and this is why in a reverse market, even if it goes up, it's still down because it's a reverse market. You understand? Hopefully you see what I mean. And for those of you that it's not clear, check this out. So let's say that you have the MACD going like this, and then like this, and then like this, and like this. Well, basically, wherever it is changing momentum on a negative market. So this is a positive market, this is a negative market. So if on a negative market it went up, it might have went like this, and then on a negative market it's going down, so the price is going to go down. So this is the MACD, and it's the same thing on the other side. So as this momentum keeps being steady, you'll still see a downfall because it's falling from a negative. Even if it's towards the bottom, when it reaches a high, then it might reverse. So this is why, as you can see here, guys, it's still far from. Let me just try to make this a little bit bigger. This is the original view. So let me get the MACD right here. There you go. So you see, that's what's going on, guys. As this thing is going to continue to barrel through, the price is going to keep on going down until it reverses somewhere here at the top, just like it did right here, right here. These are the peak pricing. And basically, all of these momentums, these steady momentums that you see right here, indicate the direction it's going right now. If it's steady, it's going to keep on going downwards. It would be the same situation if it would have been growing. It would have grown on the other side, so positively. So hopefully this is clear. If it's not clear, guys, let me know in the comments. I'll try to make it clear. So what I would do is let me just go and do a demo of what I would do if I was trading this and how much I could earn in gains if I were to flip this crypto asset, which is SLP, right? It's a utility token. So let me go in the demo section, which is just, an example for you guys. So let me do a new flip chain, and then let me choose USDT, and then I'll choose, we're looking at the SLP. So this is going to be a SLP demo. All right. So check this out. Let me just open this, and I'm going to go into add a new flip chain. So first of all, like, let's say I'm holding onto the SLP right now. The first thing I do, I just let it go. And I'll tell you why in just a second. So let's say I let it go, I sell it. The price is already there. So 0 to 822, 0 to 822. Okay, I'm going to add this. I'm going to punch this in to FlipChain. And then I'm going to just let it fall in price. So this is my current price on a sell position. And the current price is whatever. So as you can see, the price is falling. And because I sold, I'm gaining a discount right here. So the discount will vary with time. You can see it's just growing and growing. It's at 0.25 right now. So as it keeps on falling, guys, and it will fall, I will explain to you why. I actually just did with the MACD, but again, another indicator that explains why it's going to fall. Check this out. If I'm going to switch it over to the daily view, you can clearly see that the daily candlesticks are actually showing us a very interesting pattern. So look at this. We had 3 days of purchases right here, right? So it went up. Sorry, 2 days. I need glasses, guys. And then you had just one micro sell day right here that you barely see because I drew over it. But then again, you had 2 purchase days. So it's almost 4 purchase days. Of course, you had a small mini sell day, but just don't count on it. But look, what happens when multiple buy days happen? Well, you got a sell cycle right here going on, and it's already starting. You see, this day today has already been a incredible day in selling, so that's why the price is falling. And you will still see a few more days of that because you need the equilibrium with the green. Why? Because people that are in the green zone that I'm currently drawing on, they purchase, right? They have confirmed buy orders. So because of that, they need to bag out, right? These are people like you and me. They need their profit, and they're bagging out. They're basically selling their positions in order to keep some gain or have some gain. So it's gonna keep on being red just to gain this equilibrium, guys. All right. So because of that, well, let me head on back to the graph. You see, if we add another red bar over here, like you see here, we've got already like 3 bars here. Well, it's probably going to be the same thing. You're going to have like 3 bars. So it's going to drop to probably approximately the previous support level to approximately somewhere here in the next couple of days. Actually, you can already see it happening right here. It pumped like crazy. So it went here and then it dropped in 4 days, right? So it took approximately 3 or 4 days of negative. Well, actually, you see them right here. So the 3 bars represent the price fall right here. And this red bar represents this price fall right here. So it's gonna keep on falling, guys, just like I told you. right here. So basically, it's a really good time to let it go. This is why I punched in a sell position in FlipChain, which is just a monitor, guys. You actually need to do the flip on Binance itself. So you gotta place the order here in the market or limit order, or even let's say that you have a specific stop limit that you want to put it at. Well, you can do that, right? But me, normally when I do this, I do it like instantly, so I just go ahead with the market. I don't want to set up a limit and wait. I just get whatever is available in the order book just to get out or to get in. So basically, yeah. Look, guys, because it's gonna be bumping on its support level right here at approximately 23 cents, you can see it right here, you're gonna win 19%. And let's just confirm that. So if we punch in FlipChain, that we purchase it back at 23 cents. Let me just go in, and this is all theoretical, guys. I'm just showing what it could look like. So again, if you do this type of move, this is how you gain the extra moolah. So let me see here. Yep, 20. This is the support line. It approximately supporting at like 23.86. Okay, units. So 23.86. And I'm trading this against the USDT. So there you go. Boom. I have just added it. So you see, you'd gain 18% total if you would lose your position right now. So like if you lose it now, so you let it go, you sell it in Binance, and then you wait for it to fall to approximately this price, you'd have approximately 17.90%, right? So now the magic happens as it bounces, guys, as it bounces. So let's say that it bounces off the support lines, depending on, of course, how well the Bitcoin fares. So you'd probably gain, it would go mid-range to the previous support levels. So that's normally how it goes on down cycles. So normally, let's say you'd purchase it, you'd sell it off at this price right here, which is 28, guys. So let's say that I would do this in the future. So let's say I add another flip. So I sell it off at 28, and there you go. Boom, you got yourself a nice little 36%, guys. So, and this is in a matter of days. We're looking at, for example, let's say that it falls from the current price range, let's say until here, and then it goes probably like this for 4 more days, and then it will bounce back in approximately so this is a 7-day period approximately where you'll see a bounce back, 7 to 8 days maybe. And by the way, guys, if you have any specific questions, one-on-one questions, urgent questions about your crypto assets, you can talk to me live on Patreon. The link is also down below this video. So be sure to check it out, because you will be supporting the Crypto Intel and my motivation to create tons of content, guys, so I can show you how with FlipChain you can keep on doing your greens. So as you can see, this is a really, really good scenario. And if you're patient enough to make just 2 flips, well, that's basically what you could do with the SLP. So basically, this is pretty much it, guys. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I hope that this content is useful. Hit that like button and subscribe, of course, to never ever miss out on any other episode. All right, guys, see you all in the next one. Cheers.